Fire has shaped our planet for thousands of years. It's warmed our homes, cooked our food, and made life in cold climates possible. It's part of Earth's regular rhythm. Natural burning clears old growth, returns nutrients to the soil, and sparks renewal. But imbalance has transformed fire into a global threat. For the first time in recorded history, fire, not agriculture, is the leading driver of tropical forest loss. In 2024 alone, 6.7 million hectares of primary tropical forest, an area almost the size of Panama, were destroyed, nearly half by fires. Global fires released 4.1 gigatons of greenhouse gases, more than 4 times the emissions from global air travel in 2023. This is no longer a regional crisis. It's a planetary one that affects us all. Climate change is intensifying droughts, extending dry seasons, and heating the atmosphere. Hotter air pulls moisture from plants, soils, and rivers, turning dry landscapes into fuel. When they burn, they release stored carbon, making the planet hotter and intensifying the next fire, creating a dangerous feedback loop. We can't manage what we can't measure, but it doesn't have to be this way. Mitigating wildfires requires a system-wide approach. With real-time satellite monitoring, smarter land management, rapid response technologies, and resilient infrastructure, we can detect earlier, suppress active fires faster, and rebuild stronger. And with better data, tools, and collaboration, we can restore balance to ecosystems around the world. Fire spreads fast, but so can innovation. As FIRST Global students collaborate across borders to engineer bold solutions, we can protect ecosystems, stabilize our climate, and safeguard communities worldwide. Welcome to the 2026 FIRST Global Challenge, where we're not just fighting wildfires, we're igniting innovation.